Lesson 85, surface area of cylinders and prisms. So we're going to draw a cylinder. It has a radius of r and a height of h. If we were to draw a net of a cylinder, we would have a rectangle. We would have a circle on one side for the top and a circle on the other side for the bottom. The width of the rectangle is the height of the cylinder. The length is equal to the circumference of the circle. So if I wanted to find the lateral surface area, now lateral just means the side. So it's kind of, if we're talking about, let's say it was a can of soup, the lateral is just only the label part. So if you were to cut off the label, you would have a circumference times height. So it would be a rectangle, and to find the area of that, we just do circumference times height. Circumference is pi times diameter. So the total surface area, so we're going to take our lateral surface area, which is, we can just call LA for lateral area, and we're going to add 2 times the area of the base. So this capital B means area of the base, and now a base on a cylinder is the circle, so it's going to be pi r squared. So if I wanted to find the total surface area of a cylinder, we call that SA, that just means total surface area. We're going to take the lateral area, and that's pi times diameter times the height, plus 2 times, and the area of the base is the circle, so it's pi r squared. So the h is the height, pi times diameter is the circumference. Whoops, I'm getting all my words mixed up here. There we go. So circumference times height plus 2 times pi r squared. So here's an example of a cylinder total surface area. Find total surface area. So here's our cylinder. We're going to have the diameter equal to 4 inches. The height is 5 inches. So we take our formula, equals pi times diameter times height plus 2 times pi times the radius squared. So we have pi, the diameter is 4 inches, the height is 5 inches, plus 2 times pi. Now the radius is 2, so when we take the radius and square it, we'd get 4 times 2 is 8 pi, and 4 times 5 is 20 pi. So we have 20 pi inches squared plus 8 pi inches squared, and if I add those two together, I get 28 pi inches squared. And if we want to estimate, we could say pi is approximately 22/7, so we can have 28 over 1 times 22/7 inches squared, and that equals 4 times 22, or approximately 88 inches squared. And that's the end of the lesson.